Next is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. The definition of demonstrative adjectives is adjectives that help to point out specific people, places, or things are called demonstrative adjectives. To point out specific people, things, or places. That is demonstrative adjectives. There are 4 kinds of demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, and those. These are the 4 demonstrative adjectives. And these are the only 4 demonstrative pronouns. Most of the time the students are confused in demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. I'll explain you how to find out, identify the demonstrative pronoun in a given sentence and a demonstrative adjective in a how to find out demonstrative adjectives in the given sentences. Okay, the first sentence, this story is true. Now what is a demonstrative adjective here? This. Now why is it adjective? Why is it not pronoun? As these are the only 4 demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those. These are demonstrative adjectives as well as demonstrative pronouns. Why am I telling that this is demonstrative adjective? Because it is describing a noun or a story. The noun story is added to it. The noun story follows the demonstrative adjective this. That's why it is a demonstrative adjective. If this sentence was this is a true story, then in that particular sentence this could have not been demonstrative adjective, it could have been demonstrative pronoun. The condition for demonstrative pronoun is that it should follow a noun with it, then only it will be a demonstrative adjective. For example, the same sentence I write, this is a true story. This is a true story. So here this is not followed by any noun. So in this sentence this will be a demonstrative pronoun. But here story follows this. That's why this will be demonstrative adjective. Second example, those people should not be entertained. So here those is demonstrative adjective because the noun people follows it. So those people, those will be demonstrative adjective. Next example, that shop sells books. So here that is demonstrative adjective because the noun shop follows it. And the last sentence, these shoes fit me very well. So here these demonstrative adjective because it is followed by the noun shoes. So these shoes fit me very well. This was all about demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative adjectives. And what are interrogative adjectives? Adjectives that are used with nouns to ask a question. That are used with nouns to ask questions are called as interrogative adjectives. And what do we use to ask questions? We use W or H words to ask questions. So these are the 3 W or H words which are included in interrogative adjectives. But the condition is that these W or H words should be followed by a noun. There should be a noun after this W or H word, then only it will be interrogative adjectives. For example, which route did he take? Now here route is a noun, and which route now? Route is a noun. That's why which will be interrogative adjective, as the noun route follows it. Then second example, whose books were stolen? Here books is a noun, and books are following whose books. That's why this whose will be interrogative adjective. Whose books are stolen. Next example, what news have you heard? So here also the WH word or what is followed by the noun news. That's why what will be interrogative adjective. In the next sentence, whose idea was it? So here also the noun idea follows the word whose. That's why whose will be interrogative adjective. And the last sentence, which school are you studying in? So the noun school follows which. That's why this will be interrogative adjective. If noun does not follow which and what, if noun does not follow which and what, then that will not be interrogative adjective, that will be interrogative pronoun. For example, if I tell which is your school, so here which will not be interrogative adjective, it will be interrogative pronoun, as noun does not follow it. Similarly, what is the news? In this sentence also no noun follows what. That's why in this sentence also it will be interrogative pronoun, it will not be interrogative adjective.